Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 10 and Windows 11. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just click in the start icon, and then in the search bar just type troubleshoot settings. Okay, and then troubleshoot. I'm not sure about your laptop, but sometimes you will find other troubleshooters. But in my laptop, I have this. I can click additional troubleshooters. And then when you just scroll down, you see here keyboard. Just click on it and then click run the troubleshooter. Okay, now it has completed. After that, close the window and then go to the start icon, right click and then click settings and then select time and language. And then language, and you see here keyboard. I have English United Kingdom. Just click on it and then just click in the arrow. I already installed different languages here. You can see English United States, Vietnamese, Norwegian. For example, if I want to choose different language, now for example English US, just click on it. But if you didn't install the language, then just go back and here preferred languages, you need to click add a language and then just select the language. After that, click next. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to fix keyboard typing wrong letters on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.